What is up, mountain slugs? It's Friday. Work is done for the week. We're gonna go right off some work stress. It's 104 in the valley, but it's 78 degrees up here at Solitude. It looks like we've got a storm that just came through and we've got another one coming. So we're gonna get on the trail. Hopefully it doesn't get too crazy. I know these summer thunderstorms get pretty wild, especially this summer. So we're gonna climb. We're planning on going all the way up over the top above Twin Lakes and then dropping down to kind of the Solbright connector trail. So let's get ripping this, burn off some stress. Well, we were going up the Twin Lakes side with Erica. Yeah. Yep. Alright. Yep. I think it's because it's definitely more aggressive. Oof. Starting to rain. Oh crap. Wow. There's the top. Last mile's a suck fest. We'll get it though. Yeah. We're in the clouds. All right, we are on the final climb, which is gnarly because this last mile is about 800 vertical feet. I think actually it's 850, but I need to check. We've come up a couple switchbacks already. Up and over and over, over, and then one long push over to there. Hopefully you heard me because I wasn't looking at the camera. So got a nice drizzle, feels amazing. I just keep thinking the valley's 104. Now we're probably dropped down into maybe the 60s, I bet, high 60s, maybe. So it was 78 when we started, so maybe it hasn't dropped, maybe 74. Yeah, we'll just keep going, keep inching our way to the top, and then shoot her down. Let's go. To the top. That's a climb, I'm telling you what. We did really well though today. No walking. We did stop a couple times, grab a breath, but this is Twin Lake. and that little bit of moisture's made things really nice. Other than my gloves are soaking wet. So we are gonna rip this. This is a section I've been wanting to film for a while. I've had the GoPro on it, but the GoPro died. I was by myself. So this is a really chunky technical section. Hopefully the water and the rocks cooperate, well, at least the wet ground, but it might not be rideable, might be a little too sketchy. So we're gonna try and see what we get. So let's do this. Chunky monkey! Yeah, the old trusty fuse can do it. Yeah, buddy. That will get your blood pumping. I don't even know if this does it justice. I'm out of breath because that was definitely sketch factor of 10. I don't know if we can, I don't know how we can get down. Some chunky, loose, wet granite. Definitely a couple spots there were definitely questionable, but hardtails can do it. That's for sure. Looks totally different. I don't even recognize this trail. I wonder if I made a wrong turn. We'll find out real quick here. Oh yeah, wrong turn, dude. Great. I took a wrong turn.
You did?
Yeah, totally wrong turn, dude. I think Lake Solitude. Yeah, we should have gone left way up there. Oh, shit. We're right by Silver Lake now.
Really?
Yeah. Twin Lakes Trail. Oh, there's trails everywhere up here. I don't even know where the heck we're at, other than on the mountain. Okay. Oh, gosh, damn it.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. That hurt though.
Yeah.
I just got stuck again. Ooh.
What'd you land in?
That soft stuff.
Oh, that's good.
Freaking cracked my wrist pretty good though. Oops. Gated community. Sorry guys. No trespassing. Awesome.
Not our fault.
I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, I apologize. We didn't bother anybody. We are finally back to the truck. We had a bit of a detour. I've rode this trail I don't know how many times. I probably can't even count on 2 hands, let alone 4 hands, how many times I've rode this trail. They've changed something up the top, and I knew once I went down that rock stairway, things looked totally different. And I know I should have gone left, then right. We got into some gated cabin community. I apologize. I don't ever trespass. We didn't know we were trespassing until we seen the lock gate, but there was a way around it. So we didn't bother anybody. We just got out of there as fast as we can. So yeah, Trail Forks kind of pointed me where showed me where I was. We got out. We got all the way to the top. We climbed in the rain. We're a little muddy. We ripped some really nice, chunky, just gnarly stuff, which was extra sketchy. And I wrecked again. So I don't know. That's 3 for the season. Hopefully I'm done, because I'm done wrecking. I don't know why I keep wrecking, but I don't know. Getting older, maybe I'm losing my edge. Anyway, even if you get older, keep inching your way to the top. Thanks for watching. See you next time.